What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Holy Grail from Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. So let's just jump right in. Once again, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me keep creating in the workshop. Also, if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this video with anyone who might be interested. So I will see you on the next one.